the Zabar Mk2, a beast built for extreme terrains and jaw-dropping speed. Features and benefits. This machine may seat only 5 compared to its bigger brother, the Z-Mag, but it's all about raw power and agility. With a monstrous 620 horsepower engine, the Mk2 rockets up to 200 kilometers per hour, a remarkable feat for an off-road giant. Its engineering doesn't stop at speed. It can cut through water up to 80 centimeters deep and tackle a near vertical 90 degrees approach angle without breaking a sweat. Context and real-world impact. The Zabar Mk2 isn't just a concept, it's been battle-tested across deserts worldwide. From blistering 55 degrees heat to rocky wilderness and swampy terrain, this off-roader proves unstoppable. It's a machine that redefines what all-terrain truly means, making places that seem impassable feel like a natural playground. Closing statement. The Zabar Mk2 isn't just a vehicle, it's the ultimate reminder that when power meets resilience, no frontier is out of reach. Imagine turning your truck into a smooth riding machine, no matter the load. That's exactly what front suspension airbag kits deliver: futuristic comfort and stability for heavy-duty work. Air suspension isn't new, but it's been perfected over decades. Firestone has been building airbags since the 1930s, while Airbag Man leads with complete kits and specialized parts. These systems use air bellows to keep trucks perfectly level, even under massive weight. The result? A ride that's smoother, safer, and far less exhausting for the driver. Every bump, dip, and corrugated road is absorbed with ease. Loads stay balanced, handling improves, and long hauls feel less punishing. Drivers in Australia know this best. It's the ultimate testing ground. If suspension can survive scorching heat, endless gravel, and brutal wet seasons there, it can survive anywhere. These kits fit both front and rear axles and connect with various air control systems. From valves to regulators and gauges, Airbag Man has every piece covered. Think of it like an orthopedic mattress, but for your truck. Stronger, safer, and far kinder to your back. Waveflyer Volair. The future of water cruising. Imagine gliding across the water, lifted smoothly above the waves on silent electric power. That's the Waveflyer Volair, a cutting-edge 2-seat hydrofoil that feels more like flying than boating. Built with a 100% electric propulsion system, this watercraft balances on retractable foils, letting you cruise effortlessly in both deep and shallow waters. It's compact at just under 3 meters long, yet powerful enough to carry up to 250 kilograms while maintaining complete stability. With a range of up to 100 kilometers, or 4.5 hours of smooth cruising, it reaches speeds of 20 knots and takes off at just 8 knots. Control is intuitive through a joystick and digital dash, backed by advanced fly-by-wire technology, active stabilization, and even geo-fenced remote shutdown for safety. Every ride is whisper-quiet, eco-friendly, and surprisingly simple to master. The Waveflyer isn't just another watercraft, it's a glimpse into the future of clean, luxurious, and shared water travel. Once you ride it, you'll never look at boating the same way again. Hook. Imagine controlling your trailer's axles with just a button, or even by tapping the brake 3 times. Features and benefits. The Nabin trailer's lift axle isn't just about carrying loads, it's about carrying them smarter. This system lets you raise or lower an axle automatically based on the weight, or take full control yourself. Use a remote, a cab panel, or that quick triple brake tap to make adjustments in seconds. Context and real-world impact. The magic lies in its adaptability. Drop the first axle for rock-solid stability on winding mountain roads. Lift the third axle to shorten the wheelbase, making tight turns feel effortless. Whether it's conquering steep terrain or navigating narrow streets, this tech turns challenges into smooth rides. Closing statement. With Nabin's lift axle, your trailer isn't just following the road, it's mastering it. Meet the future of smartphones, the Echo Mind 1. This isn't just another phone. It's an AI-powered device so compact it can literally fit in your palm. Just 86 by 72 by 8.9 millimeters. Despite its size, it packs a stunning 4.02-inch AMOLED display, protected by sapphire glass in the Pro model, making it sleek yet durable. Running on Android 15 with Echo's ad-free AIOS, this phone comes loaded with built-in AI tools, no extra subscriptions needed. With 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage, and a 2200 mAh battery tuned for daily use, it balances performance with practicality. But here's the real game changer. A 50-megapixel Sony rotating camera with OIS that flips 180 degrees. One lens, two purposes, crystal clear shots whether you're capturing landscapes or selfies. And if that wasn't futuristic enough, the Kickstarter Pro Edition offers free eye-only internet access in over 60 countries. All of this, starting at just $299 for early supporters. The EcoMind 1 isn't just a smartphone, it's a pocket-sized revolution in the way we connect, create, and communicate. 2026 Kawasaki Jet Ski SX-X 160. Imagine riding a jet ski that feels more like a motocross bike skimming across the water. That's exactly what the 2026 Kawasaki Jet Ski SX-X 160 delivers. At its heart, it carries a proven 1,498cc, 160 horsepower 4-stroke engine. Raw power packed into a sleek 104.5-inch frame that weighs just 550 pounds. But the real game changer isn't just the speed or size, it's the fixed motocross-style handlebar. By swapping the traditional pivoting pull for this aggressive setup, Kawasaki gives riders a whole new way to connect with the machine. The result? A stand-up posture that feels agile, precise, and closer to the legendary X2's athletic DNA. Every turn demands balance, every maneuver rewards control. It's more than just another upgrade, it redefines how a stand-up jet ski should feel. Pricing hasn't been officially revealed, but expectations sit between $12,000 and $13,500, putting it right in line with its predecessor. This isn't just a jet ski, it's Kawasaki rewriting the rules of watersport adrenaline. The Volvo Iron Knight isn't just a truck, it's a beast built to break limits. This Swedish powerhouse left sports cars eating its dust when it set the FIA World Speed Record for trucks. Covering 500 meters in just 13.71 seconds and 1,000 meters in only 21.29 seconds, it hit an official top speed of 276 kilometers per hour. Numbers you'd expect from a supercar, not a heavy machine. What makes it even more remarkable is its design. At the length of a standard tractor unit, it tips the scale at just 4.5 tons, thanks to a lightweight plastic body. Its exhaust system is pure thunder, roaring like a rocket launch every time it fires up. Add in the futuristic air ducts and aerodynamic details, and you've got a truck that looks and sounds like it was built for another world. The Iron Knight isn't just redefining what trucks can do, it's rewriting the rules of speed itself. And who knows, the next record it smashes might just be its own.
Scubster Underwater Aerobatics. The Scubster is a fun human-powered mini-submarine built by French engineer Stéphane Rousson. It's made for people who love diving, marine science, or underwater adventure. Its smooth, fish-like shape helps it move easily underwater, and it can do cool tricks like flips and spins. Unlike other machines, it runs by pedal power, like riding a bike underwater. The carbon fiber body keeps it strong and light, while its smart design makes it safe and easy to handle. It's also eco-friendly, with no engine noise or pollution. The Scubster is great for underwater photographers, researchers, or anyone who wants a new way to explore the sea. Because it's made from advanced materials and built for performance, it's priced high at around $440,000. But for those who want a quiet, green way to enjoy underwater fun, the Scubster is an exciting choice that mixes fitness, science, and adventure. Hydrofoil e-Jet Ski Flyway.
In 2026, a groundbreaking mission will launch from French Guiana, one that could finally give us the answer. Meet Plato, a massive space telescope armed with 26 ultra-precise cameras, each packing 81 megapixels. Together, they create a jaw-dropping 2 billion pixel image, the sharpest in space exploration history. So, how will it find new worlds? By watching for a star's tiny flicker. When a planet crosses in front of its star, the brightness dips ever so slightly. Plato will monitor 200,000 stars at once, snapping a photo every 25 seconds, for 2 years straight. Think of it as a time lapse of the universe. But here's the real thrill. Plato will focus on Earth-like planets in the habitable zone. Not too hot, not too cold, perfect for oceans, continents, maybe even life. It will measure their size, mass, and even age with incredible precision. Early missions found thousands of worlds, but most were gas giants. Plato's goal? Find another Earth, or prove we truly are one of a kind. But before we search for life out there, maybe we should tidy up our own orbit first. Step into the future with the Viture Luma Ultra. This isn't just another XR headset. It's a gateway to a giant 152-inch virtual world that fits right on your face. Powered by Sony's latest micro OLED panels, the Luma Ultra delivers a crystal clear, 4K-like display with brightness up to 1250 nits. About 50% sharper than the last Pro model. Imagine movies, games, or work brought to life with unmatched clarity and depth. But it doesn't stop at visuals. With 6 degrees of freedom, hand gesture control, and advanced spatial computing, it makes interaction seamless and natural. Its RGB and depth cameras track your movements, while built-in spatial audio surrounds you in sound that feels alive. Designed for real comfort, these lightweight glasses weigh only 79 grams and even adjust for myopia. The electrochromic lenses adapt on the fly, reducing strain while adding futuristic flair with dynamic lighting effects. At just $599, the Viture Luma Ultra redefines what wearable displays can do, blurring the line between reality and imagination. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's on your face. BVS-10. The beast built for any terrain. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't stop for snow, ice, sand, or even water. That's the BVS-10, an all-terrain armored powerhouse built to conquer the most unforgiving environments on Earth. Designed by Base Systems Hägglunds, the BVS-10 is more than just tough, it's adaptable. With its articulated twin-cab design, it glides over deep snow, scales steep gradients, and powers through deserts and jungles with ease. No matter the climate, it delivers unstoppable mobility. Its modular construction makes it a true multitasker. From transporting troops to carrying heavy cargo, or even serving as a mobile command center, the BVS-10 transforms to meet the mission. And when danger strikes, its advanced ballistic and mine protection keeps the crew safe without slowing down. Powered by a reliable diesel engine, it combines speed, strength, and endurance into one unstoppable machine. The BVS-10 isn't just a vehicle, it's a survival tool, redefining what's possible in modern military mobility. Wherever the mission goes, this beast follows. Meet the Von Rage, the tool that turns demolition into pure power. This 15-inch multi-utility bar isn't just another hand tool, it's a game-changer built for serious work. Engineered with a patented asymmetrical design, it gives you unmatched comfort and control in every swing. Need to smash, pry, or pull nails? No problem. The Von Rage combines all three functions into one sleek, rugged bar. It grabs, bends, and tears through materials with ease, cutting down time and effort on the job. The double injection handle delivers a rock-solid grip while keeping your hands comfortable, even during the toughest projects. No more switching between multiple tools. This single bar does it all, saving you energy and space in your toolkit. Contractors, builders, and DIY warriors are already raving about its durability and versatility. It's built to take abuse and still deliver peak performance every time. In a world where time is money, the Von Rage isn't just a tool, it's your edge.
This $2.5 million luxury RV is the pinnacle of comfort and adventure, boasting top of the line features and elegant amenities. From its sleek exterior to a high end, spacious interior, this RV is designed for the ultimate travel experience. It offers a powerful engine for smooth driving, advanced technology, a gourmet kitchen, and expansive living areas. With exceptional attention to detail and high quality materials throughout, this Palace on Wheels brings the best of home comforts to the open road, making it a true masterpiece in luxury RVing.
Imagine a fence that does more than just block a view. It creates your own private world. This isn't your typical fence cover. Made from thick polypropylene fabric, it not only shields your space from prying eyes but also softens outside noise, turning your yard into a peaceful retreat. Need a screen as tall as 3.5 meters? Done. Want something strong enough to discourage even the boldest neighbor from climbing? Consider it handled, but privacy isn't all it offers. You can actually print custom designs, images, or messages directly onto the fabric, making your fence both functional and expressive. Plus, you get to choose how much light filters through, with opacity levels ranging from 80% to a full blackout at 100%. Durability is built in. This screen withstands temperatures from -26 degrees Celsius to 49 degrees Celsius and lasts up to 5 years, no matter the weather. It's more than a fence screen. It's a blend of privacy, peace, and personality for your outdoor space.
Mars Inflatable Shelter System is a versatile and efficient solution designed to meet the needs of emergency responders and various industries. Its rugged modular design allows for rapid deployment, with shelters capable of being set up in under 5 minutes. The system offers multiple inflation options, including cylinders, air compressors, and blowers, ensuring adaptability to different environments. Constructed with antifungal and anti-mold materials, the shelters maintain their integrity over time. Available in sizes 12 by 15 and 15 by 20, and they provide ample space for various applications. The shelter's waterproof exterior and fire-resistant materials make them suitable for diverse conditions, including cold weather down to -30 degrees Celsius. Their modular interconnect panels allow for custom configurations, enhancing their versatility. Overall, Mars Inflatable Shelter System offers a reliable and adaptable solution for rapid deployment needs.
Meet the Tolson Hand Riveter, the compact tool that makes heavy-duty riveting feel effortless. Built with a powder-coated aluminum alloy body, it's tough enough for demanding jobs yet light enough to handle with ease. The ergonomic design, paired with soft PVC grips, keeps your hands comfortable and reduces fatigue even during long projects. What makes it stand out is versatility. This riveter supports multiple rivet sizes, making it the perfect fit for everything from quick home fixes to professional workshop tasks. Users love its sturdy build and smart, labor-saving design that cuts down effort while boosting efficiency. Whether you're tightening metal sheets, assembling projects, or handling daily repairs, this tool takes the struggle out of riveting. It's a reliable partner for DIY enthusiasts and professionals who want durability without compromise. With the Tolson Hand Riveter in your toolkit, every job feels simpler, faster, and stronger. Imagine connecting a massive truck trailer in just 7 seconds, without touching a single cable. That's exactly what the Electrons AutoConnect makes possible. Instead of wrestling with heavy hoses and tangled wires, drivers can stay comfortably in the cab and press one button. Instantly, the system hooks up the brake lines, electrical circuits, CAN bus, and even Ethernet, automatically. No hassle, no wasted time. What makes it even smarter is the built-in computer. The moment the connection is complete, it runs a full check on brakes and electrics, instantly alerting the driver if something's wrong. That's speed and safety working hand in hand. In massive distribution yards, drivers often switch trailers dozens of times in a single shift. Normally, that eats up hours. With AutoConnect, those hours turn into minutes, saving energy, boosting productivity, and reducing risk. The best part? It works with every U.S. Class 8 tractor-trailer, autonomous rigs, and can even be fitted onto existing trucks with no major modifications. This isn't just a convenience upgrade, it's a step toward fully autonomous freight yards. The future of trucking is here, and it starts with one button. Meet the Trick Explorer F420E, the ultimate off-road machine on 4 fat wheels. This rugged recumbent quad bike is built for pure adventure, giving you stability and power no matter where you ride. With a 48 volts 500W Bafang mid-drive motor and a 48 volts 20Ah lithium battery, it offers both pedal assist and throttle power that won't let you down. Its massive 4.0-inch fat tires and 9-inch ground clearance make snow, sand, gravel, and rough trails feel effortless. The lightweight 6061 T6 aluminum frame keeps it strong yet agile, while the ergonomic mesh seat set at a 40 degrees angle ensures comfort and visibility on long rides. Shimano 1x9 gearing keeps things smooth, paired with reliable front and rear disc brakes for total control. Add in adjustable rear air suspension and a patented power divider differential, and you've got cornering and handling like never before. Compact yet tough, it supports up to 125 kilograms, making it as practical as it is thrilling. The Trek Explorer F420E isn't just a bike, it's a new way to conquer the outdoors. E-Jet Cycle, the future of riding on water. Imagine gliding across the water with the speed of a boat and the freedom of a bike. That's exactly what the E-Jet Cycle delivers. A cutting-edge hydrofoil water bike powered by both your legs and a whisper-quiet electric assist. At just 55 kilograms, its sleek carbon fiber frame and hydrofoil floats keep it lightweight yet incredibly stable. The tri-hull design ensures perfect balance, while the advanced hydrofoil system lifts you smoothly above the waves. You can launch at 10 km per hour, cruise comfortably at 15 km per hour, and push up to 20 km per hour for a thrilling ride. A 200W electric crankset gives adjustable pedal support, offering up to 3 hours of runtime, ideal for long, effortless sessions on open water. The design doesn't just look futuristic, it feels premium too, with a nautical leather bucket seat, anti-slip pads, and easy-to-control steering and altitude levers. Built in France, the E-Jet Cycle is fully emission-free, combining eco-friendly innovation with adrenaline-pumping adventure. This isn't just a water bike, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable aquatic sports. Imagine a vehicle that drives itself across brutal off-road terrain, faster, smarter, and sharper than a human driver. That's the vision behind DARPA's Racer Fleet, a groundbreaking program pushing the limits of autonomous technology. These aren't just self-driving cars for city streets. Each machine is built to tackle rocks, sand, and rugged landscapes as if a seasoned driver were at the wheel. The secret? A powerful blend of sensors, lidars, radars, and high-tech cameras that give the vehicles a full 360-degree view of their surroundings. The results so far are staggering. Test fleets have already logged more than 500 kilometers and gathered over 100 terabytes of real-world data. Every run makes them smarter, quicker, and more adaptable. The ultimate goal? Vehicles that can navigate wild terrain without a single human command, and maybe even outperform us in ways we never imagined. DARPA isn't just testing machines, they're rewriting the future of military mobility. If these racers succeed, the battlefield of tomorrow could be driven not by soldiers, but by intelligence on wheels. The question is, are we ready for machines that might outdrive us? Bell 429 Global Ranger, redefining versatility in the skies. Meet the Bell 429 Global Ranger, a helicopter built to do it all. With twin engines, sleek design, and next-level tech, this aircraft isn't just about flying. It's about transforming how missions are carried out. From saving lives in emergency medical evacuations to supporting law enforcement, corporate travel, or critical search and rescue, the Global Ranger is ready for anything. Its speed, long range, and razor-sharp maneuverability give it an edge that few helicopters can match. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, flat-floor cabin designed to adapt. Need medical gear, luxury seating, or tactical setup? It's fully customizable to fit the mission. Advanced avionics not only boost safety but also make flying smoother and more efficient, even in tough conditions. The Bell 429 isn't just another helicopter. It's a statement of reliability, innovation, and versatility. Wherever the skies demand performance, this machine delivers. The Global Ranger isn't just about reaching destinations, it's about redefining what's possible in modern aviation. Super Kayak. Imagine a kayak that packs into a bag, inflates in minutes, and glides across the water like a pro. That's the Super Kayak, a futuristic ride built for speed, balance, and adventure. This inflatable sit-on-top catamaran is designed to perform. Stretching 12 feet long and just 29 pounds in weight, it's surprisingly portable. Deflated, and the whole kayak folds into a compact bag you can carry with ease. Yet, once it's on the water, its spindle-shaped floats cut through waves smoothly, reaching cruising speeds of 6 kilometers per hour and pushing up to 11 kilometers per hour when you're chasing thrills. Setup is effortless. A rechargeable electric pump gets it water ready in just 4 to 5 minutes. The wide, elevated seat keeps your posture natural and makes reboarding simple, even after a capsize. Its modular build means quick repairs or upgrades, while add-ons like a mast sail, motor, or even a solar drive expand what it can do. Built in the UK with a 2-year warranty, the Super Kayak isn't just another watercraft, it's a bold step toward redefining portable adventure. Rephrased script, 178 words. Imagine riding a massive bus that glides through sharp turns without leaning, brakes hard without dipping, and cruises over deep potholes like they don't even exist. Sounds futuristic? That's exactly what the V-Series suspension system by Freightliner Custom Chassis delivers. This suspension isn't just about smooth rides, it's about redefining control. Traditional buses often jolt passengers and force drivers to fight the steering wheel over every bump. But the V-Series changes the game. It cancels out bump steer, keeps the vehicle steady, and ensures the driver stays in full command no matter the road. Engineers built it with both comfort and durability in mind. Passengers feel less jostling, while drivers enjoy fewer corrections behind the wheel. And here's the kicker. Its bushings last an incredible 240,000 kilometers without noticeable wear, making it one of the most reliable systems on the road. In a world where deadlines and rough roads never wait, the V-Series proves that even the biggest vehicles can move with precision, safety, and confidence. JetLev Flyer. The water-powered jetpack. Imagine strapping on a jetpack and soaring above the waves like a scene from a sci-fi movie. That's exactly what the JetLev Flyer delivers. This isn't fantasy. It's real, powerful, and ready for action. At its core, the JetLev Flyer uses the raw force of water to launch you into the air. A floating pump draws water from the ocean or lake, pushing it through a hose into 2 nozzles on your back. The result? Pure thrust that lifts you skyward. Clocking speeds of up to 44 miles per hour, 70 km per hour, and giving you around 30 minutes of flight per fuel tank. It's built for both thrill and endurance. The controls are surprisingly simple, just a joystick for direction and a throttle for power, so even first-timers can pick it up quickly. This jetpack isn't just another water toy. It redefines extreme sports, blending cutting-edge engineering with the raw excitement of flight. The JetLev Flyer proves one thing. The future of adventure is no longer on the horizon. It's already here, waiting above the water. Meet the Velox ISV, a battlefield beast built for speed and survival. Born in the UAE, this rugged machine takes the trusted Toyota Helix chassis and transforms it into a high-mobility vehicle designed for modern infantry. From fast reconnaissance runs to long patrols, the Velox ISV thrives where ordinary vehicles stall. It's tailor-made for off-road dominance, slicing through desert sands, powering over steep terrain, and even wading through water up to 70 centimeters deep. With selectable all-wheel drive, soldiers get full control no matter the mission or conditions. Under the hood, its 148 horsepower engine packs 400 Nm of torque, delivering raw strength to tackle obstacles without hesitation. And thanks to its Helix DNA, maintenance stays straightforward, a huge advantage in the field where reliability can mean the difference between success and failure. The Velox ISV isn't just transport, it's a force multiplier. A machine built to push limits, redefine mobility, and give infantry the edge they need in the toughest environments. Meet the Losi 22S Sprint Car, a mini-beast built for maximum thrill. This isn't just a toy, it's a 1/10 scale sprint car that packs the punch of real racing. Powered by a brushless motor and built on a rugged aluminum chassis, it delivers raw speed and durability straight out of the box. With top speeds pushing past 25 miles per hour, this machine doesn't just roll, it flies. Its waterproof metal gear servo, threaded aluminum shocks, and dual slipper clutch keep it tough on any track. Add in steel turnbuckles, a sealed gear differential, and you've got performance that lasts race after race. But it's not only about power. The Losi 22S nails the details. Clipless body mounts, removable wings, and officially licensed Hoosier tires give it that authentic sprint car feel. At just under 5 pounds, with a 17-inch frame and 10-inch wheelbase, it's perfectly balanced for both fun runs and serious competition. In short, the Losi 22S isn't just a model, it's racing brought to life in your hands. Evtecher 01. A new era in electric scooters. The Evtecher 01 electric scooter is turning heads at EIMA 2024 with its mix of power, style, and technology. Built in a mid-sized ADV design, it runs on a 10.5 kilowatts motor that produces 215 Newton-meters of torque and reaches a top speed of 115 kilometers per hour. Its battery supports fast charging, going from 0 to 90% in just 1 hour and 40 minutes, and can cover up to 150 kilometers on a single charge. This makes it ideal for both daily city rides and short outdoor trips. The scooter's step-through frame, 15-inch front wheel, 14-inch rear wheel, and ADV tires provide balance and comfort on different roads. Extra features like a 7-inch TFT screen and keyless entry add to its modern appeal. The Evtecher 01 stands out as a smart, powerful, and stylish choice for today's urban mobility needs. Veloci Racks. Tired of struggling with heavy bike racks? Meet Veloci Racks, the game changer that makes loading your bikes effortless. Instead of lifting and straining, the rack's smart damper system gently lowers to the ground. Just roll your bike into the wheel baskets, and you're done. No heavy lifting, no hassle. But convenience isn't all it offers. Veloci Racks can carry up to 5 bikes with a combined weight of 136 kilograms. Each basket holds 45 kilograms, which is almost twice the strength of most competitors. Plus, with its patented camp mode system, you can load bikes even while the rack is still attached to your vehicle. Worried about bumpy roads? Its built-in anti-rattle mechanism keeps things steady and whisper quiet, no matter where your adventure takes you. The only small trade-off? It's not car wash friendly, so you'll need to stick to the old-fashioned hand wash. Veloci Racks isn't just a rack, it's a smarter, stronger way to bring your bikes wherever you go. So, how many bikes does your family own? Would 5 slots be enough for your next adventure? Ride the future above the waves. Imagine flying over water instead of cutting through it. That's exactly what the Valo Hyperfoil Alpha prototype delivers. This 2-seat electric hydrofoil isn't just a watercraft, it's a floating piece of the future. Built from high modulus carbon fiber, titanium, and stainless steel, it's both lightweight and incredibly strong. At just 330 kilograms empty, it can still carry a payload of 170 kilograms while supporting a total weight of 500 kilograms. Powering this beast is a 45 kilowatts electric drive with a shaft-driven propulsion system, paired with Skyride active stabilization software. The result? Smooth, precise turns that feel like carving through air. With a top speed of 42 miles per hour and a runtime of over 2 hours per charge, it blends performance with endurance. Its extendable foils and tilting strut make beach landings and shallow water handling surprisingly easy, something most hydrofoils can't offer. And since it runs silently with zero emissions, you get an adrenaline rush without leaving a footprint. The Valo Hyperfoil isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse of tomorrow's adventure sport. One ride, and you'll never see the ocean the same way again. Meet the Traxxas Jado 4x4 BL2s. A beast that takes RC speed and durability to the next level. This isn't just another remote control buggy, it's a track-ready powerhouse built for raw performance. At its core, it packs a 3,300 kV brushless motor with an internal fan, delivering lightning-fast acceleration, up to 60% quicker than standard setups, while keeping battery life strong. Pair that with a waterproof BL2SC system, and you've got a machine that thrives in any condition, rain or shine. Durability? Covered. The Jado is armed with an extreme heavy-duty kit, reinforced shock towers, max-duty drive shafts, sealed differentials, and a slipper clutch. Add in a low center of gravity composite chassis, long GTR oil-filled shocks, and sledgehammer tires, and you get unmatched control and stability, whether tearing up dirt or owning the track. Every detail screams precision, from the aerodynamic clipless body to the TQ 2.4 GHz radio system. The Traxxas JATO 4X4 BL2s isn't just built to run. It's built to dominate. Venice. Style meets performance. The Vanderhall Venice is a stunning three-wheel roadster that mixes classic style with modern performance. It's built on a lightweight aluminum chassis, which makes it both strong and agile on the road. Under the hood, it has a turbocharged engine that can reach speeds of up to 140 miles per hour. This gives you plenty of power for an exciting and smooth ride. The open cockpit design makes driving feel raw and real, giving you a direct connection to the road. It's perfect for anyone who loves the feeling of the wind rushing past as they drive. Inside, the Venice is all about luxury. It features soft leather seats, ergonomic design for comfort, and modern tech to make every drive more enjoyable. Its sleek curves and bold front grille give it a head-turning look. Whether you're cruising through the city or enjoying a scenic countryside drive, this roadster stands out everywhere it goes. The Vanderhall Venice isn't just about looks, it's about the thrill of driving. Imagine riding a bike that doesn't touch the ground. This is the Volonaut Airbike. A jet-powered hover bike straight out of science fiction, now becoming reality. This single-seat machine runs on dual microjet turbines, pushing it to speeds of 200 kilometers per hour. With automatic vertical takeoff and hover control, it lifts off like a dream, guided by an advanced flight computer for perfect stability. Weighing just 160 kilograms, thanks to carbon fiber and 3D printed parts, it's nearly 7 times lighter than a regular motorcycle. That makes it not only fast but also agile enough to weave through tight urban spaces. The open-air cockpit gives riders a full 360-degree view, while thrust vectoring ensures smooth, intuitive handling. Safety hasn't been ignored either. Auto hover, sculpted landing stands, rear lights, and even a ballistic parachute provide extra protection in the skies. Limited to only 25 Founders Editions, priced at $380,000, the Volonaut Airbike marks the beginning of personal flight for those who can afford it. This isn't just a ride, it's the first glimpse of a future where roads are optional. Meet the Trio EV, a revolutionary electric quadricycle that bends the rules of urban mobility. Features and benefits. This Polish marvel boasts a unique tilting design with a patented variable geometry chassis. In wide, cruise mode, it stretches to 148 centimeters and can hit speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour. Switch to narrow mode at 86 centimeters, and it's perfect for weaving through traffic or squeezing into tight parking spots at around 35 kilometers per hour. Weighing just 530 kilograms, with a maximum capacity of 750 kilograms, the Trio EV packs 2 rear-mounted brushless motors delivering up to 14 kilowatts of combined power. 4 swappable 3.5 kilowatt-hour scooter-style batteries give you a range of up to 140 kilometers. The tilting mechanism leans up to 20 degrees in corners, giving you the thrill of a sport bike with the stability of a four-wheeler. Inside, it's futuristic yet practical. Drive-by-wire steering, a sleek digital instrument cluster, side camera displays, and a single sliding door that opens at the push of a button. Context and impact. By combining agility, efficiency, and cutting-edge tech, the Trio EV is redefining what city transport can be: compact, fun, and fully electric. Closing. The future of urban driving isn't just coming, it's tilting your way. Meet the beast that rules off-roads. The Team Coralie Punisher 4 isn't just a truck, it's a wild machine built to dominate any terrain. With its raw power and rugged design, this monster is engineered to push limits every time you hit the throttle. At its core, a Curon 725 brushless motor paired with a Toro 135 ESC blasts this 1/10 scale truck past 80 km per hour. Whether on dirt, gravel, or grass, it delivers non-stop adrenaline. The precision steering comes from a high-voltage, 25 kg torque metal gear servo, giving you total control with razor-sharp accuracy. Its durability matches its speed. A 3 mm anodized aluminum chassis, composite braces, hardened steel drivetrain, and 3 sealed differentials ensure it can take serious punishment. Big-bore 16 mm oil shocks absorb every jump and bump with ease. Weighing just 4 kilograms and measuring 515 by 390 by 182 mm, it's compact yet built like a tank. With a 200 meters transmitter range and adjustable power settings, you're always in command. This is more than a remote control truck, it's off-road freedom in your hands. The Punisher 4 proves one thing. When toughness meets speed, the result is unstoppable.